To this you may reply that examiners can ask you literally anything. Well, that to some degree was true, but if they ask it, we will record it and we can tell you how many times they've asked it and when they last asked it. So here it's important to understand a small statistic. You are one student out of 1,000 and you are asked a place that has never been asked before. It will be one place out of approximately 6,000 possible places. Basically means it's 6 million to 1 that you will be the student asked that point. If the point has only ever been asked once in history, then the chances of it being asked again to you is in the region of 32 million to 1. So why are you dealing with such outside odds when most beginners do not know BBC rehearsal studios and the chances of being asked that are around 2 to 1? And this brings us nicely onto the points in the radius maps themselves. Treating every radius as equal importance is a little absurd, as there is no way that the Ritz Hotel radius is equal to the Queen's Ride radius. So by giving an equal amount of points to find in those two comparative areas is ridiculous. Nearly every point in the Ritz Hotel radius is going to be important. Yet in the Queen's Ride radius, there are no real points of interest. So you will find they have placed anything they can think of on that map to give you the 8 points they will suggest you find. You are now finding points that have never been asked or are rarely asked, yet you are only finding 8 points around the Ritz Hotel map when there are substantially more than 8 in that area. You are going to need to find around 6,000 points on the knowledge, and it needs to be the right 6,000 points. So if you have found more than that, then you have found a lot of waste. And if you've pointed all the points on your radius maps, then 50% of what you found is a waste of time and is hardly ever used. So you have found 50% of the wrong points.